Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are taking a flight to the United Kingdom to understand the kind of salaries project managers can expect to earn in UK. The currency there is pounds, so we'll be talking in pounds today. That is something to take note of. So without further ado, let's get into the numbers. But before that, I'd like to remind you that whenever we do videos like these, we refer to a PMI report known as the Salary Survey Report. All copyrights acknowledged, no copyrights infringement intended. Get yourselves the PMI membership and grab a copy of this report. It is very, very helpful, and you will get loads of other benefits as well if you are a PMI member. We have done videos covering some other countries in the past. Check out the first link in the description, which is going to take you to an entire playlist of all the videos that we have covered, all the countries that we have covered in the past. All right, let's talk about United Kingdom. Let me share my screen. And as you can see, £70,000 is what someone working in project management can expect to make in UK. And this is an annual salary. We are looking at median because median is closest to reality. Total compensation is £75,000, and this can include some other benefits, bonuses, etc. How has the last 12 months been for people working in project management in UK? 47% people reported that their salary remained the same. 12% mentioned that they got a hike of mere 1 to 3%, while 11% reported that their salary actually decreased. So last 12 months have been really bad for people working in project management in UK. But what do they think about the next 12 months? So 41% people think that their salary is going to remain the same even in the next 12 months. 17% are expecting a hike of 1 to 3%, and 10% are expecting a hike of 5 to 7%. All right, let's talk about annualized salary by position description. As you rise through the ranks in project management, your salary is also going to increase. Someone who is a director of PMO makes the most in UK. Then there are consultants, of course, who do not fall in this project management career ladder, and they are also making around 80,000 British pounds every year. Annualized salary by years of work experience and then annualized salary by years worked in project management. Both these numbers you will see are going to rise as the number of years increase. So this is pretty standard, nothing out of ordinary. Annualized salary by highest formal education level obtained. And this is interesting because even if you have a 4-year college degree, a master's degree, a doctoral degree, someone with an associate degree stands a chance to make the most in UK. So if you are in UK or if you are planning to move there, no need of getting all those fancy degrees because that has nothing to do with your earning potential. Annualized salary by degree in project management. If you have a degree in project management, you actually stand a chance to make a little bit more than someone who does not have a degree in project management. So, by the way, you don't even need a degree, but if you are going for a degree, better to go for a degree specializing in project management. Having a PMP is definitely an advantage. As you can see, people with PMP report earning more than people who do not have a PMP. There is a pay gap that I wanted to voice out. Males are making more than females in UK. All right, let's talk about annualized salary by department. Which departments pay the most? Consulting, finance, IT. These are the kind of departments that pay the most in UK. Talking about the industry, then you have resources, financial services, and we can also, let's say, throw in consulting because these are the industries that are paying the most in UK. So these are the three industries that you can target. If you get a job in companies working in these industries, you stand a chance to earn the most in UK. Let's talk about annualized salary by number of employees in entire organization. And this was interesting because as you can see, companies that have less than 100 employees also pay exactly the same as companies that have 10,000 or more employees. So it doesn't really matter where you join a small company or a large company, but towards the other end of the spectrum, as you can see, companies that have 5,000 to 10,000 employees, they pay the highest in this table actually. So your preference should be to join companies that are larger in size to be able to earn the most. Annualized salary by average project team size. As the number of people you manage that increase, your salary increases. Average project budget, then as the budget of your project, as the budget of the project you're working on, as that increase, your salary also increases. Finally, let's talk about the work culture. How many hours do people report working? And you can see that people are expected to work less than 40 hours. I don't think we have seen many countries in our videos so far where people are expected to work less than 40 hours. But in UK, you are expected to work less than 40 hours. People do tend to report working more than 40 hours, right? Someone who is a director of PMO can work up to 50 hours. But the beauty here is that you are not even expected to work 40 hours a week by the companies, right? So if you have the workload, you are anyways going to put in the work, but nobody expects you to do overtime and all that. So I hope you found this video helpful. We are all about PMP, project management, and other project management related certifications. We have loads of videos on project management. Do consider subscribing to us. Check out our playlist section. If you like reading articles, go to our website pmclounge.com. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.